I've never lied to be true. I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is going to be a makeup look, and I'm not sure if this is gonna be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial or just a regular makeup tutorial. I guess you could tell by the title of the video if I post it. And this is how it looks. It's kind of pinkish, glowy kind of look. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Let's get started. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for this look, but right now I'm gonna start with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. Like always, I'm always gonna use this eyebrow duo kind of thing. So right now I am going to clean up my brows, and I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard, and I'm going to clean up my brows and put some concealer on my eyelids. So for foundation, this is gonna be the first time I am using this, but by the time you watch this video, I'll probably use it like a couple times already. But this is the Fit Me Maybelline New York Matte and Poreless Foundation. Got it in the shade 228 Soft Tan. Then I'm going to use the same concealer and conceal my under eyes. For powder, I usually use the Laura Mercier powder, but today I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use a Body Shop powder, and it's an all-in-one face base double function in number 68. This basically looks like that. I'm going to use this e.l.f. complexion brush and just swipe that on my face. Next, I'm going to go to eyes, and this is the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette. And I use this for part of my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So yeah, as you saw, this is how the palette looks like. I don't know if it's actually getting the colors that are actually on it. It's really pretty. So I'm going to use this cream shade over here and put it all over my lid. And I'm using one of my Morphe brushes and packing it on. Right now I'm going to use this MAC little palette that I made a while back, and I'm going to use this brown shade up here and make it a little bit more brown than pink. I am using this shade up here, this white shade, and highlighting my brow bone. So I already did this side and now I'm doing this side. Now to bronze up my face or sculpt my face out, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium to Deep Matte Bronzer. So for blush, I am using this pink blush, and this is from the Too Faced All I Want for Christmas. And this is probably really old, but yeah. So next, this is new too that I'm gonna use, and this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter, and this is cruelty free, and this is in the shade Halo Goodbye. Usually use my Naked Skin liquid highlighter, but I want to try this out, so I'm using this one, and this is cheaper. Okay, so what I think about the highlighter right now is like you don't need a lot, because a lot goes a long way. As you can see, like I put a couple dots and this is how I'm glowing. Kind of smells weird, kind of oily, but I mean I could work with this. I like it though, like it gives you the healthy looking glow. Probably one side is probably more glow than the other, but I am gonna set it with this powder down here. It's a highlighting powder from the Carly Bible palette, big brush, because all my brushes are nowhere to be seen. Next I'm doing eyeliner, and it's the MAC eyeliner like always. I have used these lashes before, so if they look kind of crusty, then sorry. But these are the Ardell Demi 120 black, and I'm using this eyelash glue to put them on. So I put on the lashes, and it looks like this. L'Oreal Lash Paradise for my bottom mascara. To finish off the look, I have the Naked Urban Decay Lip Gloss in Sesso. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do in the future, or what part of the look you like. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.